here. As soon as it got a little bit of water on it, it just sucked you over. And all you did, and this one would end up with no traction at all, even though it was